Good morning, my dear students. So, from today onwards, I am going to take maths for you. So, you have already discussed about the operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And also, you are familiar with the division. In your previous year, you have discussed about the division of number with one digit, isn't it? So we divide the given number with the one digit in your previous year. In this year and also in this class, we are going to discuss about divide with the two digit numbers. Before that, just we have to recollect the previous ideas. Okay, so here I am give an example, that is 25 divided by 4. So what are the specialties of these numbers? Yes, 25 is the dividend. 25 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor, isn't it? So for dividing this number 25 with 4, we need to know the multiples of 4. We need to know the multiples of 4. So just we have to write the multiples of 4, that is 4 into 1 equal to 4, 4 into 2 equal to 8, 4 into 3 is equal to 12, 4 into 4 equal to 16, 4 into 5 is equal to 20, 4 into 6 is equal to 24, and 4 into 7 equal to 28. So we need the multiple which is less than the dividend or equal to dividend. We need the multiple which is less than the dividend or equal to dividend. Here the dividend is 25. So divisor is 4. If we take the multiple of the divisor which will be equal to the dividend or less than dividend. So first we take the first digit of the dividend 2. So it is less than the divisor. So we take the 2 digits 2 and 5, that is 25. So if we divide 25 with 25 by 4, we need to take the multiples of 4. We need to take the multiples of 4. So here we have the multiples of 4. So we have to take the multiple which is less than the dividend. So or equal to the dividend. So here that the multiple 24 is less than 25, isn't it? So how come 24? 4 into 6. I mean 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Then what we will do? We will subtract the given multiple from the dividend. So we will subtract the given digits. For 5 minus 4, answer is 1. 5 minus 4, answer is 1. So we have the data. 6 is the quotient. 6 is the quotient. 1 is the remainder. And also we know that these two things. This is dividend and this is divisor. This is we have discussed in our previous classes. How to divide a number with a one digit number. Today we are going to discuss about how to divide a number with the two digit numbers. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to divide a number with a two digit number. Here we have the number 32 and we are going to divide that 795 by 32. Okay, so look at here, the divisor is two digit number, so we have to take the first two digits of the dividend. The divisor is a two digit number, so we need to take the first two digits of the dividend and check that the multiple of 32. We need to check the multiple of 32 which is less than the first two digits or equal to the digits. So 79 is the first two digit number, isn't it? So we need to check the multiple of 32 which is less than 79 or equal to 39. For that we have to write the multiple of 32. So here 32 into 1 32, 32 into 4 32 into 2 64, and 32 into 3 96, and also 32 into 4 128, and again 32 into 5 160. We need to write the only possible if also we have to write the full multiple up to 10. It is very easy to find the multiples. So it is also which is very helpful to divide the given numbers. Okay, so here 79 is the first 2 digit. We need to know the multiple. Here we have 64, which is less than 79, isn't it? So we need to take 64. So 32 into 2 is 64, which means 2 32s are 64. We need to write 2 as here. We need to write 2 as quotient here. 2 32s are 64. And then what we will do? We will subtract the number. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And also 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So the answer is 156. Answer is 155. Okay. Again we have a dividend 155. So we need to check the multiple of 32 which is less than 155 or equal to 155. Here we have the multiple 128, which comes from 32 into 4. So 128 is here. So which is come from the multiple of 32 into 4. That is 4 32s are 128. 4 32s are 128. Then we need to what? We need to subtract the given data. So here first we have to subtract 8 from 5. So 5 is less than 8. What we will do? We will take a borrow from. That means take 1 from here. So it becomes 4 and also it becomes 15. Isn't it? We will take 1 from here and it becomes 4 and also it becomes 15. 15 minus 8. What is 15 minus 8? Just subtract 8 from 15. What happens? It becomes 7. And also here 4. Now the number is now 4. So 4 minus 2, 27. Okay, so that is, here we have the quotient 24 and also we have the remainder 27. Okay, all of you understand? That's it. So this is the division of a number with a 2-digit number. Okay, now we are moving to another example. Okay, so let us discuss another example. Okay, now we are going to divide 8,644. Here dividend is 8,644 and now we have to divide with the 12. That is the divisor. So we need to know the multiples of 12. It will help us to divide very easily. So I write the multiples of 12 here. That is 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, and again 12 fives are 60. And I know that you have that you know how to find the multiples of a given number. Just multiply the numbers 1 with 1, 2, 3, etc. to 10. Okay. If you write the multiples of those divisor, it will help to divide the number very easily. Okay. So we need to know the multiple of 12 that we already write here, and we need to take the first 2 digits of the dividend. That is, we are going to divide the given number with a 2-digit number. So we need to take the first 2 digits of the dividend. So 86 is the first 2-digit number. So we need to find the multiple of 12 which is less than 86 or equal to 86. Here we have the number, isn't it? 84. We have the number 84, which is the multiple of 12 when 12 is multiplied with which number? 7. So 7 is the fact. So 7 12s are 84. 7 12s are 84. And now what we will do? We will subtract the number. So subtract 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. And again 8 minus 8, 0. There is no need to write. And now we will brought together. Now we will brought down what? 4 here. Bring down 4 here. Now we will bring down 4 here. The number become 24. So we need to know the 24. Is it a multiple of 12 or is it a multiple of 12? Here 24 is here. So that is the multiple of 12. When 2 multiply with the 12, which will give the value 24. So here we have the value 24. Then 2 is need to write here that 2 12s are 24. So it becomes 0. And we will bring the next digit, that is 4. If we bring a digit to the down as a dividend, it is less than the divisor. If the dividend is less than the divisor in any step, listen carefully. If the dividend here 4, there is no need of write 0 here, so the number becomes 4. If we write the dividend which is less than the divisor, we need to write 0 in the quotient. Understand? If we have a dividend which is less than the divisor, 4 is less than 12, isn't it? 4 is less than 12, so we need to write 0 in the dividend. So 0 12s are 0. 0 into 12, 0 into 12 is 0 and becomes, the remainder is 4. So we have the answer, quotient is 720, and quotient is 720 and the divisor is 12 and the dividend is 8644, and again we have the remainder 4. So this is the second example. Okay.